Javon, and we are back with another video. Okay guys, so as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video here, we're going to be coming to you with another TikTok Starbucks drink. So today guys, we have 5 drinks that we've picked from different TikTok videos that, you know, people recommend. For the drinks, we have 5 different drinks. 4 of them are grande, 1 of them is a venti. So the first one here, we have a grande drink. Okay, this one is a grande mango dragon fruit with guava juice on top. So for the one that we seen, it was a mango dragon fruit with cold blue Gatorade on top. Me not thinking that someone, you know, actually did that themselves, because we came to Starbucks and I asked her for it, and she's like, oh, we don't sell Gatorade. And so she said that that's something that they did themselves. So we had to substitute it for the guava juice and not the...
So we technically made this one ourselves?
Yeah, we made this up ourselves, guys. So if y'all want to go and try this, you know, tag us. So yeah, this one is a grande mango dragon fruit with guava juice on top. That's just what it is. For the next one is this beauty here. So this so it kind of melted a little bit, but this is kind of like a slush. It looks kind of like a slushy type of drink, a clear slushy type of drink. So for this one is a grande mango dragon fruit, no water, double blended raspberry syrup.
So no water, like straight syrup? Yeah,
straight juice, no water. So for this drink, a grande mango dragon fruit refresher with no water, blended with strawberry puree and topped with strawberry puree. So that's what the drink is supposed to be. So guys, if y'all wanted to try that drink, y'all can go to y'all nearest Starbucks. The one that we went to doesn't have the strawberry puree, so that's why we just said, okay, just add raspberry syrup. So that's why it came out looking like this. But the drink is actually supposed to be like a pink color, but they don't have the strawberry puree. So it came out looking like this. We have a iced coffee. It's a grande ice white mocha, no whipped cream. So no whip is just basically the whipped cream on top of it. We didn't get any whip. And basically this is the regular Starbucks drink. There's no added anything. This is just a regular drink because someone on TikTok said we should try this out. And I've never tried. The only drink I've ever tried at Starbucks is a what? Is
this a hack or?
I think this just something somebody said you should try. You have to try it.
Oh.
Yeah, because all the other ones that we picked, they either didn't have one of the ingredients in it,
yeah, the ingredients are very hard to get.
So yeah, this one is kind of like this is like an Oreo cookie and cream type of drink here. I don't know if y'all can see it because the sun, the back, it got like Java chips in there. So this one is supposed to be a venti caramel cream frappe, but we got it in a grande. So we have hazelnut syrup, extra caramel syrup, Java chips, whipped cream blended in, and we didn't get the caramel drizzled on top of it. We didn't get that one. So yeah guys, we got a grande instead of a venti in that drink. It's kind of similar to the other iced coffee. This one is a venti ice white mocha.
Who the hell come with these venti, Moscow, Kenke, Kunka,
grande?
What?
So this one is a venti iced white mocha, no whip, sweet cream, extra caramel drizzle. And so this one is actually one we seen on TikTok that people was like, you have like, this is like a TikTok Starbucks drink hack. Starbucks drink hack. Okay. I got a little tongue tied.
To make sure.
So the way it's well, I mean, it's the same. The way I read it to her is a venti ice white mocha with sweet cream and extra caramel drizzle. So that's what this drink is, guys. So if y'all want to go and try it, go to our nearest Starbucks and try it.
Make sure you guys like and comment, subscribe. I don't know if you said that, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. So what we're gonna do is drink it and give your review. Give it a rating out of 10. Okay. There's a drink.
Oh, and also guys, I can't come to Starbucks without getting a cheese Danish. I love. Yeah guys, it kind of melted a little bit. What you think? You give your rating.
Cold.
It smells really good. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
4.
Yo, you lying.
I swear.
Babe, what the heck? You read my mind.
No.
What the heck?
But yeah, that's a 4. I didn't like that one.
Yeah, it wasn't all.
Was that the one that said no water or something like
that? This one, yeah, no water. This
it tastes like it had water in it.
Yeah, it did. I don't know, maybe the stuff is at the bottom and we just tasted it.
Yeah, I was trying to taste, just I was trying to shake it up.
It's kind of just like it's like the taste is there, but it goes away in like 2 seconds. That's what it looks.
I mean, you can taste the raspberry, loud and clear. It's a 4, 4.5.
It's a kid-friendly drink. This is what it tastes like, a Capri Sun, kind of. That's what it kind of tastes like, a Capri Sun.
Like a quick little drink, hot summertime.
Yeah, it's a 4. Okay, guys, the next one we're gonna try is the Grande Ice White Mocha, no whip.
No whip.
No whip.
And this is like I said, this is not really a hack, it's just a regular.
Yeah, that's a regular Starbucks.
Because normally people who come to Starbucks, they will get like something like this, but they would have like other stuff into it.
Yeah, I love iced coffee. He like it. He like it, y'all.
No.
You took 3 sips.
Dang, where's sugar at, bro?
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Where's sugar at, bro?
A few inches later.
1, 2, 3,
6.
5. I was low-key gonna say 6.
I was gonna say 5.
Really?
I swear to God, I was gonna say 5. I was gonna say 5.
I low-key was gonna say 6 only because I like the coffee taste in it.
Yeah, I do too, yeah. If it had a little bit more sugar,
yeah, a little bit more sugar.
It been Gucci.
Yeah.
I can still drink it like that though. I'll drink it like that still though.
Yeah, I would too. Me personally, because if y'all like the taste of the iced caramel macchiato, because it has like this sweet but coffee taste to it, I would add a little bit of sugar in here.
But it's not that bad though. It's like a high 6.
Yeah.
If it had a little bit more sugar, it could have been an 8, but I'm gonna keep it as a high 6. Not bad, not bad.
All right, guys, that one is the, what was that one? The caramel cookie bar. That's what it's called on the thing on the TikTok thing. Caramel cookie bar.
I don't know if you guys can see the little cookies in it. Not the very
that's
top,
the little Java
cream
chips.
at the bottom. Cool.
Oh.
Yeah, boy. Heads up, she like it. That's why she taking so long.
You ready? 1, 2, 3,
7.
4.
I give it a 7. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like that. I like that one. Yeah, I feel like it needs a little bit more sugar, but I like that. Why give it that? Why give it a 7? Because of the little the crunch in it, the little cookies, whatever thing that is. But I like that one.
The reason I gave it a 4 is because also the little cookie thingies.
Dang, you'd have been lower than a 4? You'd have been lower than a 4?
Well.
That.
I like the taste of it. It tastes really good. The only thing I don't like about it is like that foam stuff on top. So I probably wouldn't. Was this blended? Yeah, I wouldn't get it blended. I wouldn't get it blended because I don't like that stuff on top of it. Like, it's like creamy at the bottom and on top it's kind of like an icy, like foam type of.
I mean, but we couldn't really stir it up all the way. I like it though. I like this one.
You can definitely taste the hazelnut syrup in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my 7.
You can keep it.
There's a little bit more sugar as well. A little bit more sweet and whatever they're using.
Mine just needs to not have. I'm not. If I ever get that again, I'm not gonna get it blended.
I vibe with this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what video you guys want us to see. As I said, we're gonna take a small little intermission, maybe more than a small intermission from our reactions. Reason being because of the copyrights, we can't beat it, so we're not gonna. You know, if you guys didn't know, we've been getting copyrights since we first started reaction, but we just kept doing it because, you know, it's not all about the money, it's all about, you know, the showing love to the artists and the countries. That's why we keep doing it. But it's to get to a certain point where the copyright's cool, but it's not cool, but it's cool. But when you take the video down, that's when it's not cool, you know, because it's like wasting their time doing the video for no reason. So I hope you guys can understand that. I see some of you guys still messaging me on Instagram. I don't know. We will see what we can do. I don't know if anything I was supposed to. I don't know. We gonna figure something out. But I'm not just gonna take a big reaction. So mango dragon fruit.
Yeah, with the guava juice.
Okay, this shit. This look like this. I don't know. We gonna see.
Yeah, it smells really good too. He don't like it, y'all.
Well, I ain't seen it yet.
One, 2, 3.
Negative
4.
3.
You don't like it at all?
That they need a double D for the sugar. I don't think sugar can save that one. That need a special. You need a special brand of sugar to save that one day. There you go.
Okay, it smells. It smells really good. I think the guava juice is throwing it off because it's guava juice and mango dragon fruit.
So, question: they don't put sugar in their stuff, or you have to ask for it?
I think you have. I mean, some of them come sweet, but if you want a little extra sugar, you put a little extra sugar in it.
Okay.
Type of stuff in there. I think it would have been good the way the recipe called for it, but the guava juice is kind of throwing it out because it's guava and mango in there. So I don't know if that's kind of clashing. It tastes like how an air freshener would smell. That's what it's giving me, air freshener. It smells like an air freshener, and it tastes like how an air freshener would smell. Not saying that I sit there and just spray air freshener in my mouth and taste it.
I know what you mean. Like it tastes like a smell of air freshener. Like if it's an apple and it says the air freshener is apple, the same way the air freshener smell like is the same way it tastes. Like I know what you mean.
Okay, I'm just trying to explain for the people that's gonna be like, ugh, you just sit there and spray air freshener in your mouth.
I know what you mean.
Last but not least is this venti.
Let's tear the one up.
Is this venti, y'all?
You think if you do this,
You wanna try it?
wait, make sure it lock up good. Make sure it lock up good. We just said make sure it lock up good.
I did, babe.
Come and see. They're bringing buckeries in.
Okay, you do it now.
Me? Do what?
That one is the one that was on TikTok that everybody kept saying you have to try. Like, well, not me personally, but everybody on TikTok, you know, that was the ultimate one that I kept seeing. So, oh Lord, please let this be good because I do want a new favorite Starbucks drink. One, 2, 3,
8.
9.
8.
You get 8? I like this one, y'all. I like it. It's good. It got
That's what I'm talking about. Put some sugar in this stuff, man.
I think it's because of sweet cream. It has sweet cream in it, y'all. This one is really good. Okay, yeah.
This is my favorite one. What I gave this one?
A 7, I think.
7?
Y'all, it's creamy. You can still taste that coffee. You can taste the sweet cream in it because it's not too powerful. I feel like if you get this recipe and a grande, it's gonna be like crazy sweet. But since it's like proportioned out, you know, just right, it's just, oh my gosh. Yeah, I like sweet coffee. I don't like strong coffee, and I don't like medium type, like taste coffee. Like I like my coffee to, you know, have some sugar in it, okay?
Yeah. This one could have been a higher rating if you had a little more sugar in it. The small one.
Yeah.
So again, give a difference between these. As you guys see, they're pretty closer. It look pretty much the same.
It is the same. The only thing is the added ingredients. See, grande ice white mocha, venti ice white mocha.
Okay.
The only difference is we added all this other stuff in there.
So this one, guys, forget this one. What's this one again? Grande. I ain't gonna say that.
This one is just a regular grande white. I mean, a grande ice white mocha.
So if you guys get this one pretty much has no sugar. But if you guys like no sugar in the stuff, then you will like this one. If you guys like extra sugar, you can get this one.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But that one is still pretty good. It's just like
It is, yeah.
this one is sweeter than that one.
But this one got a strong ass coffee taste. Though.
Yeah, exactly. I don't like that strong coffee taste. I like the coffee taste. I like the way the coffee tastes. I like the way it smells. But I need some sweetness to it as well. And this one, oh my god.
Yeah, that's nice. That's a W. Yeah, that's a W.
Boy, cause I down that whole thing. I was really rooting for this one because it's so pretty. Ugh.
But yeah, guys, that concludes the end of the video, right? Yep. So that concludes the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and keep supporting us. And as I said, we're gonna try our best to like entertain you guys with different stuff. So we're just trying different stuff right now. We're gonna see which one take off. I know. So we're thinking of doing another video similar to this. We don't know yet. We're gonna see if it's. I don't know. We're gonna talk about it and see if it's gonna work. But make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next reaction.
Peace.
Not reaction. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
Oh, no, you didn't. I didn't even catch that either. Okay, bye, y'all.